What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Today, on a Dex activity, Nadek Gimia got his handsome photos and a short video clip before he leaves the event after he performs on the stage last day. Nadek Gimia are so cute having time to his fans and signing those autographs. Nadek got his new video clip of his endorsement from Daikin that shows Daikin Inventor was upgraded and got a lot of coolness that makes him satisfied. Looks so cute that Nadek in his co-star was wearing those astronauts costume that describes the Daikin was very effective and it's available for everyone. Nadagdimiya and Roses Pirwan's Day was very busy lately and many fans was hoping that they posted together having a moment since they have no work sometimes on weekends.